In this video, we're going to be exploring the various cards that make up the subsections within the Tableau interface. So what is a card? A card is an aspect of the Tableau interface that allows you to control the data visualization, or it shows you some aspect and describes some aspect of the data visualization. So, to illustrate what the different cards do, let's actually create a data visualization. So I'm going to utilize, for this first data visualization, the columns shelf and the rows shelf, which are two of the most commonly used cards in Tableau. So I'm going to drag my profit, which is a measure, onto my rows shelf. And you can see that it aggregates my profit as a sum. It shows me the sum of all of my profit. And then I'm going to drag the category, which is dimension, to the columns shelf. And you can see that Tableau shows me the sum of my profit across all three product categories. So here we've just used our very first two shelves or cards. Now you might be wondering what some of these other cards do. So let's look at some of these. So let's say we didn't want to look at all of the data, but we only wanted to look at a particular state. Well, we could drag the state dimension onto the filters card, and we could select particular states to view. So for this visualization, I'm only going to show the products associated with sales in Colorado. And I'm going to press OK to apply that filter. And you can see that the visualization changed. Another thing you might want to do is, instead of only looking at a particular state, you want to look at each state individually one by one. So I'm going to remove the Colorado from the filters shelf by clicking on the right-hand side of the dimension and selecting remove. Then I'm going to go back to this state dimension and I'm going to drag that to the pages card. What the pages card does is allows you to split up your data visualization into multiple views and scroll through those views. So you can see that I am currently on Alabama, which is the first state when it's organized alphabetically. And by clicking on the arrows, I can scroll through each of my states to view the